Hi, this is Ariana Richards, and I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood, ready to ride the Jurassic Park ride for one last time before it goes extinct. So bring on the ponchos, here we go.
It's just a little agitated, a little aggressive, just watch out.
Back.
There we go.
Center up, on me. It was such a great moment to come here when the ride was opening. I'll never forget that day. Just to get on that ride and go through that adventure and kind of be part of the moment of the unveiling of the ride was so special. When it comes to my favorite part of the Jurassic Park ride, I have to say the final drop at the end. It has to be the icing on the cake. I just love it. Hey, this is Ariana Richards, and I just got off the Jurassic Park ride. I rode it for the very last time. It was so amazing. And as you can see, I have the effects and completely drenched.
We began the concept of Jurassic Park the ride while Jurassic Park the film was in production. Is that right? Even before it came out. It's not that the ride was anticipating a big success, but it was such a natural for Universal Studios Orlando and Hollywood because of what it's about. The movie is about basically a theme park that goes amiss, and we thought it was. At one point, somebody said, "What are the theme parks more successful than the movie?" And I said, that could happen. Who knew? This is what they call a fast ride over here, and a wet one. This is really all about patience and perseverance and Universal trusting this movie, even before it was a movie, to start work on this ride. This ride was placed in the conceptual stages over 18 months before the film was released into theaters, and that's what I call having blind faith. And have a great day and have a wonderful time on the ride.
Spielberg himself toured the construction site to see firsthand how his dream was coming to life.
It's going to be great. This is really what virtual reality is all about. It's not about something you put on your head and see a condensed image on three sides of you. This really is a chance to three-dimensionally live the movie and ride the movie.
As opening day grew closer, dinosaurs began to be spotted in the skies over Universal as the huge creatures found their way to their new home. Even by Hollywood standards, it was an unusual sight.
This was a big day for us. Today's the day our big guy arrived, the #1 resident here at Jurassic Park.
What
do you think?
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Awesome. I face my fears.
This ride right here is hot. Especially when that T-Rex came down. It's like, ah! Makes your heart skip a beat. This ride is awesome, man. I'm telling you.
I was passed out. So exciting. You gotta go in there. You gotta.
Acrophobia, fear of falling from great heights. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Carnophobia, fear of being eaten alive. Face your fears. Jurassic Park, the ride. Only at Universal Studios Hollywood. Jurassic World, a new ride coming to Universal Studios Hollywood.